Hi all, welcome to today's post market report. So in the morning we have seen that market is going to bounce, my view was it is going to bounce, and actually it has happened exactly, but only thing was I said as tomorrow is an holiday and moreover Wednesday is the RBI, sorry, not an RBI, a Fed event day. So that is the reason I do not wanted to take huge positions. So if you look at the end of the day where the market is residing at, Nifty is almost at, if you look at where the Nifty has closed, so settled price is around 17,069, whereas Bank Nifty is somewhere around 36,163. So if you look at whatever the gap down opening we have seen either in the Bank Nifty or in the Nifty. So Nifty opened around 16,900, and from there it was just consolidating and it has moved in the up direction, whereas Bank Nifty also opened little quite heavy lower in the almost 35,600 levels, though it has opened, but did not stay there, but immediately it just gave a bounce. And from then, so when we did our early market opening analysis, at that time Bank Nifty was somewhere around 35,800. Even I said from this place there is an quite evident possible up move can come. So that also happened. So you just wanted to see how this is going to be, how it identified and all those things. Maybe I will just show it in a kind of simple writings. I will show why this was a bounce and why I jumped on it during the mid of the day, why it was. So before that, and again looking at India VIX is up almost 4.4%. So seems like again everything is cooked in and finished, and tomorrow will not be able to do anything because we have a local holiday for the Indian markets. And moreover, again for the Wednesday I said it will be news driven based market. So for that reason I did not carry any huge positions, whereas I just said why I was long. So in case if you look at in Bank Nifty why I was long, assume that market was taking somewhere around 35,600 to 800. So let's assume this is the zone, and if you look at last 3 to 4 session data, so it was trying to retest almost for the third time. It is not just because of the third time. Moreover, if you look at higher time frame chart, there is a quite evident possibility that though this seems to be like price, and some indicators even on a lower time frame or on a little higher time frame, it was forming a kind of positive divergence. That is the reason why I said there is no room for downside. And moreover, today even after the first 1 hour has gone, what has happened is very simple. I have already shared many tricks. Whenever market is facing pressure, so you need to look at this kind of PE data. So if you look at that kind of data, at least during mid of the day, so it was very clear that POA were rising. That is the one clue, like you could analyze and get it. And even moreover, if you could analyze more of consolidated data, like not only at one strike, even if you look at Nifty point of view or Bank Nifty point of view, there is a clear evidence that though market is trying to give pressure, but these OAs were increasing. So but even though, see, looking at one particular OA, you may not able to decide the conclusion, but I generally use a cumulative OA kind of stuff. So that's given a signal of it is going to bounce. So even till mid of the day, it was trying to support this zone. So 800 to 900 zones. Even in my Telegram channel, in our Zebu School Telegram channel, I have said for the intraday or BTST, you can go long in this zone, provided like once I see the data point of view, then I confirmed, and then only I posted my view on the bullish sign. So luckily on the same day it has bounced. The bounce has come in something like this, and now somewhere residing at 36,200 level. So 36,100 to 36,200 level. So from here on next, what could happen? As I said, this is going to be a news driven market till Fed is out. So for that reason, I do not want to predict anything. So maybe we will see, looking at the today's price action and yesterday price action with the institutional data point of view, I assume today institutional data needs to be slightly bullish in nature. That means the institutional FII minus DII. So all the modulus what I am expecting today is slightly greater than 0, looking at the price action of Friday. So even for that price, the net flow is only 200 crore, and looking at today's, it seems to be should be there. So we will see at the end of the day, or maybe on the Wednesday when we are opening up, we will decide all the things and we will try to put together. So as of now, yes, market is in pressure mode, but only thing is, whenever you are thinking about bearishness, don't short at the support. That's what I generally say. Though market is in the higher time frame, sell, wait for the lower time frame to give a bounce, and then if there is a data point support to that, then you jump in as seller. So my level for selling is unless and until there is no news flow. So generally what I used to do is, for Nifty, I am expecting 17,150 to 17,200 is my expected sell zone. I am not expecting bullishness, but if at all, if this level is going to come on the part of this kind of whatever news driven, so I may be looking at the chart and maybe looking for confirmation of the data. If at all, if there is a data evident that it can see the pressure and the pressure is building in the data, I might be selling at this level. Whereas for Bank Nifty, I generally wanted to do so 36,400 to 36,600 level. So in between this range, I will try to identify any divergence, negative divergence, and moreover, it is not only negative divergence. You need to see how the pressure is getting created in terms of like either data or the price. So that's what I would suggest. So other than that, there is nothing to say from my side because I'm not carrying bigger positions. Whatever slight positions I finished at mid of the day, I booked it. So happy for that, and moreover, just wanted to enjoy the next half day. So tomorrow is a half day, right? I'm part of Ramzan, so just wanted to enjoy that day, and we'll be back on Wednesday. I hope you get a lot of knowledge and we'll be discussing this kind of stuffs. And thanks for watching, and keep watching us, and signing off, Damodharan.